Hi friends, this is my KNOPPARP Sofa, which was one of my first purchases in Ikea Hyderabad, and I've been using this for the past 5 years. So when I purchased this sofa, I made an assembly video and I've uploaded it on my channel. Those of you who are interested to watch can click the link above to watch the video. This is a very perfect sofa for a small space. It can fit any corner and it's very compact, ideal for two people. And I bought it just for 6,000. Sadly, this sofa is not to be seen in the IKEA store. Looks like they have discontinued it. But I have been using it happily for the last 5 years. But one thing is there, as compared to other sofas where they have replacement covers, we never found a replacement cover for this sofa right from the beginning. So whenever it used to get dirty, we used to vacuum it and also wash it once in a while in the washing machine. I've even made a video on that and I've uploaded. You can watch that video by clicking the link above. So now you must be wondering why I'm talking about this sofa, which is 5-year-old and which is not available. Of course, there is something similar to this which is available at IKEA. One is a glow stand, other one is a Haman, which comes closest to this. But I am talking about this for a different reason. So let me tell what it is. So with all the plus points about this sofa, I felt there was one drawback, especially the height of the sofa. I felt it was a bit low, probably because of the design. Though there is a thin layer of cushioning, I felt if there was extra layer of cushioning, the comfort level would have been better and the height would have been slightly increased. Whenever sitting on this, I felt a bit uncomfortable, and I used to put down the cushion like this and sit on top of that for increasing the height as well as for extra comfort. So I felt, why not add a layer of cushioning on top of this? So I always used to think whether it was possible to put a cushion underneath or put a cushion on top. But we have been managing like this for the past 5 years. So during my recent visit to IKEA, when we were walking through the kids section, I chanced upon this BANKKAMRAT. They call it a bench pad. You can see this can be put on the top of a bench or a small cot, or could be used as a mattress on the floor for babies or kids. But when I saw this, I felt this could be perfect for the KNOPPARP sofa, and I ended up purchasing this. And yes, it is indeed perfect for this sofa. I'll show you how. So this is how I tried to put it inside, and it fits perfectly. You can see so with this actually slightly less, but it is perfect. I felt it was enough. And voila, you see, it's so comfortable. Now I don't have to put something like this and sit on top of that. I really feel very comfortable sitting on this. So it's just that I wanted to share this small hack, if you may call that, of using one IKEA product to make another IKEA product more functional, which is what I've done in this video. Hope you liked watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, it's bye bye from Bhavana.